going to do the docs, but
okay.
just transport him over.
You got it.
Trespass, he was warned prior, refused, told him he's under arrest, still refused.
Cool.
On March 14th, 2024, the mind, body, and soul behind the Cartoon News Network, CEO Dave, was arrested for trespassing at the Kane County Courthouse when he appeared to respond to petitions filed to prevent this channel from publishing videos about the racist judicial system in the suburbs of Chicago. In order to convict CEO Dave of trespassing in a public building, the state must first prove that the order to leave was lawful and that CEO Dave interfered with another person's use of the court building.
How's it going, sir? How are you doing? What's the problem today?
I ain't got a problem. I'm just sitting here.
I've been advised you were asked to leave.
I was.
So what's the problem?
Why was I asked to leave?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, me neither. Why was I asked to leave?
I'm not sure.
Why was I asked to leave?
I'm not sure.
Why was I asked to leave?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, me neither.
Sure, somebody.
It's a public building, right?
To an extent.
What do you mean to an extent?
Building.
It's a court building, so I have a right to be here. And I'm not just going to leave because a white officer tells me to leave, bro. I'm in a public park, and just because some
It's not a park. This is not a park. No.
Nobody said it was, but it's a
You just said
building.
public park.
Cocksucker, let's go. How do you want to do it? I'm just sitting here. I'm not doing anything.
Just so you know what happened, the Chief Judge's office told him he's done for the day. They're going to email him a new date. There's some confusion.
Okay.
No longer has court business. Just so you know what happened, Chief Judge's office told him he's done for the day. They're going to email him a new date. There's some confusion.
Okay.
No longer has court business.
Gotcha. Okay. So if you don't have any more court business, I don't understand why you want to sit
I
here.
want to observe. I want to spend the day here, man. I'm not going to have lunch today. Right? And if you'll excuse me, I think I will go upstairs. Y'all making me nervous. All around me.
So should we need him?
Go upstairs. Y'all going to talk to me upstairs?
We're gonna have to, yeah.
Nah, homie.
Wait.
Man, get your hands off me.
Hey,
You
already told you gotta leave.
You
already told you gotta leave.
Why are
He's
they
going to be
hands
cited
on
for
me?
trespassing.
Okay.
Are you going to leave? We're going to cite you for trespassing now. Are you going to leave? Yes or no?
Who signed me for trespassing?
Yes or no?
Who's got the video? Who's got the camera?
You were told to leave. Are you going to leave?
Bro, why are you telling me
All
to
right,
leave?
segment citation now, arrest for trespassing. You've been warned.
I want the tape.
Let's go. You got the tape.
Ordering CEO Dave to leave a public building because he no longer had court business to conduct is not a lawful order. It is, in fact, a textbook example of intentional discrimination under the color of law. Do Kane County Sheriff's deputies order everyone to exit the building once their court business is done, or just CEO Dave? Do officers demand that everyone explain their reason for entering and remaining in the Kane County Judicial Center before they are permitted into the building? Of course not. So, why was CEO Dave targeted by Kane County Sheriff's deputies for intentional discrimination in violation of the Civil Rights Act of 1964? Keep watching because the answer will shock you.
Right here, you're going to get searched. All you had to do was leave.
Shut the fuck up.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can appoint one, will be appointed to you. Do you understand your rights?
Dumb shit. Of course I do. All this racist ass shit. Shut the fuck up. That it is racist as fuck. Y'all motherfuckers telling me I gotta leave a public building, and cause the white motherfucker doesn't want me there, I gotta leave?
You know, I got my fucking bag back.
Fuck you.
Fuck the police. Fuck the police. Fuck the police.
On May 7th, 2024, the Illinois Supreme Court transferred the petitions for stalking no-contact orders filed by corrupt state's attorney Jamie Mosser on behalf of her estranged husband, Jameson Eisenminger, and Sheriff Ron Haynes' wife, Ashley Hayne, against David Andre Bertha, aka CEO Dave, to a judge in McHenry County for a status hearing on May 14th, 2024 at 9 a.m. The bogus emergency petitions were based on YouTube videos that he posted, not acts of stalking, and was set to expire at 5 p.m. on May 14th. CEO Dave was arrested for trespassing at 9:30 a.m. when he was the only person to appear for court.
Just so you know what happened, Chief Judge's office told him he's done for the day. They're gonna email him a new date. There was some confusion.
Okay.
No longer his court business.
Remember, the emergency stalking no-contact orders were set to expire at 5 p.m., and Lieutenant Francisco Aguirre just said that someone would email CEO Dave a new court date, so the emergency no-contact orders should have expired, but didn't. Peep game. After his arrest for trespassing, corrupt former Chief Judge of McHenry County, Michael Chmiel, assigned Judge Joyce Johnson to preside over his cases, and CEO Dave was removed from his holding cell to attend a Zoom court hearing, where Judge Johnson extended the emergency orders filed by Jamie Mosser until June 6, 2024. Crazy work, right? What's even crazier is the fact that racist Ron Hayne came to lockup with 3 or 4 other officers before the court hearing on Zoom, and attempted to negotiate an agreement where his wife would no longer pursue her petition for a stalking no-contact order and the trespassing charge would be dropped if CEO Dave agreed to voluntarily dismiss his civil rights lawsuit against them. Smash that like button and subscribe to the Cartoon News Network if that sounds like extortion to you. Anyway, racist Ron Hayne repeatedly said that it was hard for him not to do what he really wanted to do to CEO Dave, and in response, he popped up from his chair to get into the sheriff's face, before he was pulled back down to his seat by several officers.
Gotta get something else. I didn't want him getting in trouble, and so was he, because that just survived when he popped off. It's like, yeah, it's just. You just see how fast. I want to see it on video how fast I did that. Yeah. I don't know. It was quick. Was I quick or no? Real quick, yeah.
No, she didn't have this info either, so I get you. Like, I want to meet you in the middle here. Like, I want peace, David. Like, how do we get there? You tell me. You're a lawyer.
Let me go home. I'm not a lawyer. I'm in this bar, bro.
Well, you know
Yeah,
the judge
I
put
know.
you here.
Huh?
You know the judge put you here.
The judge did what? No, the judge can't. Kane County is going to have to press charges. Jamie Mosser is going to. Right, Jamie Mosser is going to have to, and I'm going to file a motion for a special prosecution. We're going to do the whole thing about out-of-circuit judges, all that shit.
So what I would really like to do,
Okay.
You're a very smart man, okay? Dave, look.
What's up,
You're a very smart man.
Of course.
I want to meet you in the middle, and like, if you want your charges dropped, if you want to make a special statement, perfect. Like, let's do it, but let's work together on it.
So
Let's
what
not
do you
be
want me to
antagonistic.
do? I want to walk out.
To me, man. Like, I've been trying to do for what,
Let me
3
put-
years now. Like,
Bro, but you keep lying. When you said, listen, bro, you did. When you said that you never, remember I told you I wanted an investigation and you were acting like you didn't see those complaints that I filed.
Yeah.
I know for a fact that's a lie. How do I know for a fact? Yes, you do,
You
because
said it to me,
always-
and I thanked you for it.
Hey, come on, man.
No.
Listen, bro,
I sent it to you and I
listen, bro, I got the email. We'll deal with that in court. Like, for real, that's what the federal lawsuit is for, homie.
Brother, you've had so many cases. Why
What-
keep wasting your time?
Bro, why were they thrown out? They weren't for the merits. Most of the time, no, they weren't. He doesn't know.
Well, that's why they get thrown out.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't for the merits, bro. The first one was thrown out because of statute of limitations. Yes, it was, bro. Yes, it was. So he doesn't know. Like, it's hard for me to. What do you want to talk about then, bro?
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do, because you want to get let out, right?
Huh?
You want to get let out, right?
Of course.
Okay, so.
I don't want to be here, bro. And you,
Certainly.
of course, and you, and really, you don't want to charge me because you know it's going to be looking real bad. No,
You're violating the law.
That's what outside.
What I want you to do, David, I'm in a public field and a white person tells you your court case is over with. You better get out now. That's what happened, bro. That's what happened. He told me to leave. And I got a right to be there, bro.
Those lights.
Yes, I do, buddy. They do it all the time. It's a public building. Do what you do, homie.
But I want you to
I do too. I do
be good with
too.
us, okay? That's all
We're
we
not
do.
gonna be good, homie. I'm gonna sue you. I'm assuming
Suit up.
it's already done, homie.
So my weapons that's inside the van right
It's
now.
already done.
Yeah, it's been done.
Yeah.
It's done as far as January 12th, homie. It's done. And as far as the last time, it was a voluntary dismissal, so I could refile it. But go ahead and keep talking and acting like you know and you're so smart and do all that, homie.
Literally, so, I have no ill will towards you. These guys will tell you that I love everyone, including you, believe it or not.
Bro,
I
really,
want the
I
best
don't.
for you.
Bro, no, you don't.
I do.
No, you don't. Me too.
Director told me
So
to
when he
suit up.
came and told you to suit up, because he was going to say both of you were bouncing, I'm like, I already have a team. So
Oh yeah, right. So
Right.
What is the information you're saying, right?
Bro,
What is my wife?
I see what you're saying.
bro, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You're going what?
so what do you want to do? Gotta put your restraints on. Face me. Face me.
You're going to All right, David, I will still keep working on it because
Let me go get my weapon out of there.
you not being infested, you not having your stuff in the past. You don't need to have it.
Are you going that
You
way?
don't need the drama.
I don't.
Yeah, so let's get rid of it.
Okay, let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of it.
What? You
What?
don't believe me?
No, I don't believe you.
Come over here. Hang on to your cell. We're gonna put you the shackles on you. Okay?
No problem. It is what it is. Black man in shackles. That ain't no easy.
I'm kidding. It was what? I was in a meeting and I came over.
We got it? Lock it? The double lock?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go this way. You shut the door so we can get in. Uh, 102. Hardy has the keys to the van. Let me go get Hardy the coffee. He has the keys to the van. 102. Excuse me.
Pause. I know what you're thinking. Did I miss the part where CEO Dave popped out of his chair and got face to face with racist Ron Hain until he was dragged down by several officers?
Oh man, so cool. I see that. I was like, whoa, okay, director. That's funny. God, he's something else. I didn't want him getting in trouble, and so was he, because that just survived when he popped out. It was like, yeah, it's just. You just see how fast. I want to see it on video how fast I did that. Yeah, I don't know. It was quick.
Yeah, I want to see the confrontation on video too, but the corrupt sheriff's office destroyed that part of the video because it would have ended racist Ron Hain's career as sheriff. Meanwhile, CEO Dave filed a motion to dismiss the charges against him for due process violations during the discovery process because under the Illinois Law Enforcement Officer Worn Body Camera Act, all of the corrections officers were required to record his full interrogation, not just one officer who only got part of it on tape, but goofy Judge Justin Hansen denied the motion, finding that the sheriff's office did not act in bad faith. Now, I know that generally speaking a judge looks out for law enforcement, but this shit is ridiculous. Does Judge Hansen really expect us to believe that all of the officers wearing body cams during racist Ron's interrogation of CEO Dave were simply negligent when they failed to record? Really? I guess it was simply a coincidence that they all violated the Illinois Law Enforcement Officer Worn Body Camera Act at the same damn time. So, what is CEO Dave going to do at his trial, which starts on April 28th? Well, he's going to tell the jury the truth. He was at the courthouse at 9 o'clock in the morning for a scheduled hearing when no one else from the case appeared, including a McHenry County judge. He was told his case was rescheduled at 9:20 a.m. and he did not appreciate the unlawful order to immediately leave or the large contingent of deputies following him out of the courthouse. Like he didn't have a legal right to remain in a public building, so he took a seat like his name was Rosa Parks, without interfering with anyone else's use or enjoyment of the property. CEO Dave is going to ask racist Ron's whore wife and Jamie Mosser's bitch-ass estranged husband why did they fail to appear at 9 a.m. with their lawyer, State's Attorney Jamie Mosser. And of course, the first question that he is going to ask every single officer wearing a body cam during his interrogation is, why did you fail to press record? In our next episode from our series, Kane County Chronicles, we're going to take a deep dive into the petitions for stalking no-contact orders filed by the spouses of racist Ron Hain and State's Attorney Jamie Mosser against CEO Dave, so ring that notification bell and subscribe because you won't want to miss it.
Fuck the police. 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 Coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it mad 'cause I'm brown.